Today, we continue on exploring Big Pizza and look at everything else. Again, because how crowded the restaurant was, I will use some pictures from their company website and publicly available reviews alongside my own. First of all, their salad bar here. I took 2 plates of salad that day, though I'm not showing you any pictures. My loading style doesn't look pretty. They have greens and some pre-mixed Western salads, similar to what Pizza Hut once had 2 decades ago, or what you find in Sizzlers. There are some Chinese cold dishes alongside the salads too. My favorite is the Russian-style salad made with cucumber pickles and hard-boiled eggs. It looks ugly, but tastes refreshing, and it's actually quite authentic. Among all this familiar stuff, there's one new item they recommended: Hong Kong style pineapple and bread salad. This salad is literally, physically, just chunks of baguettes and canned pineapples with mayo. Maybe the cook who invented it has just heard about Hong Kong having some pineapple buns, but no way it should be realized into this. It's pure filler, and the customers know. Nobody took any of it. Speaking of pineapple, on the salad bar, they have both fresh cut fruit and canned fruit, the same kind that goes onto dessert pizzas. I haven't lived near any Chuck E. Cheeses when I was in the States, but I doubt an arcade section in a restaurant can be as attractive to little kids as a ton of sweets. This egg tart or custard tart comes from the fire and grill section. It's similar to the Portuguese tarts KFC have. I know some Asian bakeries in America have them too. Here you can see chicken nuggets and Cajun-ish chicken wings, also modeled after KFC's items. I'll make a video about KFC's New Orleans wings later. Most of the fried meat products here at Big Pizza are chicken, to save money presumably. Like the popcorn, they look like they came from a wholesaler brand. Did you notice bad translation? It was meant to say cod strips, like fish fingers. I think it's not cod, but some tiny schooling fish, probably some kind of small mackerel pike. This is their spaghetti with meat sauce, because a pizza place must have enough Italian things. The sauce is decent, but as the time drags on, the pasta could feel less chewy. So my approach is to put this meat sauce on pizza like ketchup. Another main starch item is rice with Japanese beef curry. It tastes okay, but the curry is probably too filling. They also have a fried rice with teriyaki sauce, which I didn't try. It's pretty soggy and bland. Uncle Roger won't like it. Hold on, Big Pizza has even more hot dishes: Chinese stir-fries and steamed vegetables. Here we have savory steamed eggs, gourd chunks, and rice noodles fried with surimi crab sticks. Then cabbages steamed with spam slices, and the potato gratin we saw earlier. The quality is fine, I'd say fresher than American Chinese buffet food. You can rest assured there's always plenty of healthy items to choose from here. You saw this right. Korean cold noodles in a pizza shop. You know you are in the northern parts of China when cold noodles happen around you, everywhere. Now to the dessert section. Not the sweet pizza section, not a fried goods section, but real dessert section. They already have sweet pizzas and sweet pastries, but here you can have cakes too. Many parents must feel they are truly spoiling their kids. These are basic mousses and whipped cream cakes. The cream they use is based on vegetable oil, and the cakes have dried considerably in this little fridge. Not worth eating. Again, stick to the fresh dessert pizzas. Also, they have some gelatinous puddings, similar to what American Chinese buffets may offer. Pretty bland, but I'm trying them just for the audience. There are 2 freezers for ice cream. One of them is from a generic maker, all of its flavors watery. Look at the artificial coloring. The other is also kind of generic, but advertised as a New Zealand brand. It tastes pretty good, especially the chocolate flavor. You can always tell the quality of an ice cream brand from their chocolate. On to the drinks. Big Pizza and Auriga set a standard of buffet drinks since the beginning. 1 soda fountain, 1 coffee machine, 1 yogurt machine. The soda fountain in many smaller restaurants now only serve generic sodas like those cheap American supermarket brands, but Big Pizza has recognizable big brand drinks. Pepsi, Nestle, and Tropicana. The generic juices go to a separate machine. This is a specialty they fortunately haven't changed. Self-serve hot tea. Here's a tap for hot water and packs of tea. Makes the atmosphere more classy. They have beer too. Yes, beer is included in the base price. Ever since KFC set up shop in the 1980s and offered beer, we associated beer with Western fast food. This makes them a highly popular party place for the neighborhood in summer. That's a wrap for Big Pizza. Now, I think I've seen the key to their survival and expansion. They still wow the folks by having so many things, and keep them returning with a solid core selection. It's a go-to place that won't disappoint you. Next time, we can do an overview on the history of durian pizza, or one about Western brands that left China. What do you think? Thanks for watching.